Hello guys, it's me, Caroline, owner of Exclusive Polish. So guys, as you can see here, I have my two acrylic powders and my monomer. Then I have my acrylic brush. I love my acrylic brush. And then here I have my model's hand, guys. As you can see here, I have a tip. It's nicely blended and the nail has been prepped. And then here I have a sculpting foam. It's a reusable sculpting foam. And then here it's just a nicely prepped nail bed. Now on the first finger here, I'm going to show you guys how to build an apex, guys. Now, and then to build an apex, forgive me guys, my camera is moving there a little bit. Now to build an apex, so that you guys can see exactly how I'm working my powders, my first two beads, I'm going to use my cover pink. And then my last bead, which I normally use to build an apex, I'm going to put this purple so that you guys can see how it has to sit on top of the other two beads. Okay, now let's get into it, guys. Before we start, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my sticky bond primer or bonded, because I'll be working with acrylic, guys. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Now let's go in with our acrylic then. Gonna take my model's hand like that. Hope you guys can see. And then I'm gonna start with a nice cover pink bead. I'll bleed my brush from excess monomer because my nail is short. Then I'm gonna place my first bead there where the tip and the natural nail meet. I'm gonna work it to the sides like that, using the belly of my brush, guys. Then pull it all the way up to cover my whole tip. That is how your first bead application should look like, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with my second bead. Then I'm gonna put it where my first bead ended. Very important, guys. You guys must see this. It's sitting directly where my first bead ended. I'm gonna do the same process, work it with the belly of my brush to pull it to the sides to cover my side walls. And then I am going to flick it, blend it into the first one like that. Do you guys see that? Now our last bead is going to be our cuticle bead, guys. Now I am going to go in with the purple so that you guys can see how I build an apex and how I conduct my cuticle application one more time, guys. I'm gonna go in with my purple so that you guys can see where it has to sit. Okay, now I'm gonna put it where the second one ended. Tilt my finger down, guys, so that gravity can do most of the work for me. And then I'm just gonna push it a little bit as close as possible to the cuticle like that. And as you guys can see now, my powder has this peak here. I'm just gonna kill the peak very gently with my brush like that, blending it to the second one without taking it any further, guys, any further. If I was using my cover pink, it would actually be sitting like this. My third bead would be on top of the second bead and just at the beginning of the first bead, guys. Do you understand? Look how the nail is sitting. Let me show you guys the side profile quickly. Now look at that. This is the side profile of the nail. It has that nice beautiful peak like that. And apex, we build it with our third bead, which is this purple. Okay, the purple must be at your cuticle, cover the second bead application and blend it on your first bead, where your first bead started, guys. So that's how you actually build your apex, guys. From there, we're going to shape the nail, correct our shape, level it as per the other videos, guys, and then you have beautiful strong nails, guys. There we go, our perfect nail. Thank you, guys. See you again on the next video.